Let's introduce Miss Sophia, a college student. When she was facing problems with her Apple computer, she became puzzled by thinking about what to do or what not. After facing different kinds of problems several times, she started to search a full-service computer repair. She was looking for that kind of store, which has a well-stocked parts department. That time Miss Sophia had been noticed the website of iTech Xpress. After getting the phone no, that is 626-777-4747, she took consultant from the professionals of iTech Xpress. When she knew about their high-quality services and confirmed regarding their quick services, she decided to take service from them and shared all the problems with the certified experts. Are you facing the same kind of issue just like Miss Sophia? Do you want to know more about their services in detail? Then just take a look at https://ichexpressinc.com to clear any doubts, if you have in your mind.